You're up first. What do you think of the weather?
Love it, man.
Wear my weather jacket.
How's it going, guys? This weekend's adventure, we're off to the Barrington Tops. We're going to do another bikepacking trip. Weather forecast is looking rubbish, but anyway, we're going to do it because why not? We made our way up to Gloucester yesterday with a pit stop into Dungog. Started today with a nice brekkie from a local cafe. And now we're heading up the hill. They're expecting about 10 to 20 millimetres today and tomorrow of rain. Chance of a thunderstorm tonight. We're going to be up pretty high. We're going to try and camp at Carrie's Peak, so if there is a thunderstorm we might try and head down, camp somewhere else. We're going to start at Honeysuckle picnic area and we're going to make our way into the Barrington Tops State Forest and head round to see the rock that looks like a penis. Make our way down through Gummy Falls, back up into the Barrington Trail, make our way down to Junction Pools, and then up to Carrie's Peak, and that'll be today. It's about 50 kilometres, and hopefully the forecast is wrong because we're going to get very wet.
Loving the weather or what?
Perfect, mate. How's it feel, Hardy?
Extremely lightweight and efficient.
Josh, what's yours like?
Sweet, man. Ready to go. Loving it. Hopefully everything stays dry.
We all ready, boys?
Ready to go.
Mate, weather looking immaculate. Perfect for riding. See you at the finish line. Alright.
Commence.
Oh, I love this weather. We've actually got a bit of descending to start. Oh yes, all downhill, baby. Here's the man who's carrying our case of beer. Oh yeah.
Make sure there's something left when I get there.
Alright, we've made it to the first tourist attraction. I've told the guys to wait down there so I can get their reaction when they walk up, but this is the big penis looking rock. Here they come.
Oh shit. He's bigger than mine. Oh shit. Oh, it's about the same. That's definitely a cock.
Look at the size of it. Oh, Hardy. Alright, it's now time to hit the road. We're going to make our way up into the national park, up along the Thunderbolts Trail.
Is real. I think I need to drink my beer immediately. So heavy. I can just do it. No, I'm gonna have some water.
What I want to know, Hardy, was the trailer an amazing idea?
Yes.
Excellent.
No regrets.
Weather forecast said rain and wind. So far the rain's been pretty good and I'm stoked with the weather really. Bit of a breeze around, bit of fog. Such good conditions, loving it. Thoughts, Benny?
Pretty good so far.
How's it set up?
Yeah, quite good. This is sick, man. I love it. Perfect.
Alright, time to start descending down to Gummy Falls. might do, I might cross and then film you guys coming over. Oh. That's where you ride. How's that?
Right, don't know what the fuss was about.
Look at that. What's for lunch, Hardy?
Smashed blueberries.
What about this side? What's for lunch?
Peanut butter wrap. Chickpeas with olive oil and sea salt.
I've got tuna, and it's fucking disgusting. Just after that bite to eat, we bumped into some national park rangers, and they've said they're going to get a fire ready for us at Polblue. So off we go. We're going to head up this hill, head down the Barrington Trail, and make our way to Polblue.
Wow! What an enormous waterfall.
And you have to go up a massive hill now because of this.
Thanks for the tea tour, Tim.
It just goes up, and up, and up. Nothing but hill climbs. Barrington Trail Central. So it means we're going left. Legends.
Here we are, we've made it to the Polblue hut. This could be a definite option to stay the night. You look cold, Benny. All morning of just pissing down with rain, and we actually bumped into some national park rangers that said if you make it to Polblue we can get the fire going for us, which has been awesome. Had the chainsaw out, cutting us up some wood. Also found some wood, which has been a bit of a bonus, otherwise we would have probably ran out. Bit of firewood for the boys. Would have been nice to get all the way up to the peak, but we would have had no shelter. Non-stop raining. It's not raining at the moment, but it's on and off, so definitely think it's the best option to stay here. What are you doing, Benny?
Oh, my dry clothes are wet. These bags are fucked. These are my dry ones.
What about your bloody your sleeping bag and everything?
Nah, that was in a other bag. That's right.
Warming you up, mate?
It's so warm and delicious. I haven't actually tasted it yet because it's too hot.
Cheers, this coffee's never tasted so good.
Get an air mattress up with hot water and then it's like a hot water bed.
I'm glad I got that on camera because that was so stupid.
Really?
After a nice warm cup of coffee, me and Hardy decided to hit the trails again. We're going to go ride the Polblue Swamp Walking Trail. Hopefully we see some wild brumpies because they're out here somewhere.
Oh, there's a horse. Yeah. They're walking straight through there? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's right here. Do you see the hut just there?
Oh yeah.
There he goes. Get him. Ça va? A little baby one. Pony, yeah.
think it's time to have a beer.
You go to the moon with that thing. Sure.
Beer o'clock, boys.
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
You. Oh shit.
What a good trip.
Oh, there we go.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Cheers to another adventure,
You
boys.
can go and get your own if you want. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Alright, Sunday morning and the rain has stopped, which is good. What an interesting night. Ended up sleeping in front of the fire, which was nice and warm. Then he got a bit cold, but yeah, it was a good night. I think this morning, rather than heading straight back to the car, because it's not that far away, we'll probably go down the Barrington Trail. Maybe go down to Little Murray campsite where we were going to go through yesterday, suss that out. If we're keen, we might even go all the way to Junction Pools and check that out, and then just turn around and make our way back to the car. If anyone does decide to stay at Polblue campground, the toilets they're perfect, they're on point, they're so clean for a campground. I think they come and clean them pretty regularly. Really good. Alright, here we go again. Hopefully the rain holds off today. Fingers crossed. Alright, we're back on the trails again. We've decided to do the Polblue Swamp Loop. I know it's about 2 or 3 k's long, so first up, bit of a warm up, then up the hill and into the Barrington Trail. Nice little track, this one. Walking track, but it's actually no steps or anything, so you can ride it on a push bike. It's good. I hate hill climbs, they're nasty. While the others were grabbing their bags, I've come up this hill so I can watch them struggle while I rest. Ah, here comes the rain. And it did not stop. So, group discussion. We still keen to go down here? Yeah? Yeah. Don't worry. Look how beautiful she is. We ended up riding down the Barrington Trail until we reached Little Murray campground. The trails were super wet and the rain just kept coming. After a quick snack at Little Murray, we turned around and started to pedal home. Little Murray.
Nice.
Wet Murray.
So much rain. It was bucketing down.
No, Tim regrets nothing. I'm not regretting it.
You're up first. What do you think of the weather?
I love it, man.
What do you think of the weather?
That's all I got. It's raining. Not bad. Glad I brought my wet weather jacket.
That's better. Andrew.
Mahalo.
Well, after a very rainy Sunday, we're nearly back at the car. Found a bit of shelter. Close this one out. Good trip, boys?
Yep. Awesome trip. Interesting.
Benny's never coming again. Good times. Well, we made it back to the car. Oh, finally got some warm clothes back on. So good.
That was a sick one.
Good to be dry.
Yeah, loving it. Not leaving this car.
All dry. Bike's packed away. I think it's back to Gloucester to get a coffee and head home, watch the footy grand final. See you guys on the next one.